What's up everybody, we are back with a new video. Today is Matchbox time and finally I could find some new models in my area, and this seems to be case C or mix 3 for 2024, and it also seems that they have skipped 1 or 2 cases in my area, which is unfortunate. So obviously I'm missing some models, but it is how it is. I'm glad that I could find some new stuff, and yeah, let's get started. Let's get into it with the first model, which is a new casting. As you can see right here, it says new for 2024. This is the 1977 Jaguar XJ6C in blue. So let's get this one open. There we go. Yeah, this is an era of cars not a huge fan of, but it's a pretty nice casting and a pretty nice model in blue. As you can see, we get some details on the back. Does it say Jaguar? Is that intended? But it's a C, isn't it? Strange. Or maybe it's kind of a joke that I don't get. Anyways, the details on the back are pretty crisp. We don't get any side windows, as you can see, and some pretty nice headlights. Gray base, 6 spokes. So yeah, let's put this guy into the parking lot and let's go on with another new casting, which is this one here, 1964 Lincoln Continental. And there we go. Yeah, it seems that the camera has a hard time finding the right lighting. That is unfortunate. I got a new phone, but we have to deal with that. Sorry for that. Yeah, also not a model from a time period of cars that I really like, but this is kind of cool. I like the black color, and I also like this, let's say, very boxy design. This is really, really cool. As you can see, the wheels, this is hard to sit very far inside the model. We get a chrome front. And the white interior, which is also pretty nice, and yeah, some details here on the side, the taillights, chrome front, chrome bumper, a pretty nice model. So next one up is this guy here, Porsche 918 Spyder. This is the third version of this casting, I think. We've seen it in kind of a gunmetal gray, in yellow, which is this one here, and now in this, I would call it lime green. Very nice. Doesn't cooperate, this guy. So there we are. This is definitely one of my favorite Matchbox castings. Very, very cool. Has a very nice stance. I like the wheels on this one. We have a Porsche badge on the front, pretty crisp headlights and some details on the back, and I also really like the color. Really nice. Into the parking lot as we go on with the 2019 Jeep Renegade, now in red, or let's say somewhere in between red and orange. There we go. By the way, one of the latest versions of this one came in like a similar color as this Porsche. It's come with chrome 5 spokes, Jeep license plate, nice front details, nice. Into the parking lot, and let's go on with a generic casting that I really like, which is the Express Delivery. The latest version I think was in FedEx Deco. Now I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce this. It comes in Agave Acres Deco, delivering to California, Arizona, New Mexico and Colorado. Yeah, pretty nice. As you can see, it comes with green tinted windows. For sure the upper part is plastic, but we do have a metal base. Yeah. As this is a mainline model, you don't have any opening parts or something like that. But it's I really like this one. Really nice. And then we get to the last, I think it's the last new casting in this case, Tesla Model 3 in white. I'm not really sure what you think about it, but I think some of these Tesla models do look so similar, and it's extremely hard to distinguish between them. We have these gunmetal gray 6 spokes, look very good, some very crisp headlights, and also the Tesla logo on the badge. Nice interior, and the Tesla license plate, very crisp details also on the back, very nice. Pretty nice model. Then we go on with the 2019 Subaru Forester. I think the latest version was in gold, I think. Now it comes in kind of a metallic baby blue. I don't know if you can call it like that, or it's more like a pearl livery. Pretty nice, actually. I'm not really sure if this color matches the car, but yeah, pretty nice. This one doesn't have a license plate. You get some pretty details on the front. Also a nice one into the parking lot. Next one up is the Audi e-tron. I think this is also the 3rd version. I think we've seen it in gray or blue and white, and now in red. Also very crisp details on the front. This huge grille with the Audi rings. And as always on models in red, yeah, sometimes it looks kind of weird, as it does in this case, because you can't really see the taillights. And I think this one should have a license plate in my opinion. But anyways, nice model. Next one up is the 1966 Dodge Charger with this very iconic shape. And this is, I think it's also the third version. We've seen it in orange and then in kind of a silver last year in a 70th anniversary version. And yeah, this one has a beautiful livery. Dark metallic green with a lot of glitter in it, and it looks really good. And it comes with a chrome base, so we get a chrome front and the back. Look at that, also looking very good with the Charger lettering, if you can see that. Pretty nice one. Yeah, sorry for the problems with the camera. I have to fix that in the next video. But once you get started, it's hard to get your cars or your models back in the packaging. So let's go on with the Nissan NV van in what's that? Los Angeles Tours Deco. Yeah, definitely not one of the most exciting castings. It comes with a trailer hitch, by the way. Some of these models do look yeah, kind of plain or a little bit strange, especially on the front when they don't have any headlights, as this one has. But the deco is pretty nice. It's I would say the livery is yellow with a touch of green. Tours and Adventures. And yeah, I think it doesn't have any interior. But anyways, nice model. Then we get a new version of the Tesla Model S in red. Well, I'm not really sure about the red. I don't think it matches the car. Here, by the way, we do have the white version of this casting. I think it does look better than the red one, definitely, in my opinion. But yeah. It seems like they have changed the license plates. Until now, I think all of them said 0 emissions, as you can see on the white one. And it seems like from now on they have a Tesla license plate. Where is the other one? Yeah, this one also. Then another version of the 2022 Renault Twizy. I'm not really sure if it's the second or the third version. We've seen it in blue. Now in white. I know this casting is a little bit controversial, not everybody likes it. I think it's kind of cool because, you know, I really like it when Matchbox does models like this one. It's a strange, small electric vehicle, but yeah, I really, really like it. So, and there's one model left, which is the 2020 Land Rover Defender 90. This is the 4th or 5th version already. There was a, I think, a green, blue, brown, and now in black. There we go. Looking really good. Well, I don't like that the whole upper part is plastic and a plastic base, so it's a lot of plastic, but I really like this flat black livery. These details on the back. And on the front. Nice. So, as always, let's take a look at all of the models. There we go. And yeah, trying to pick a favorite. And yeah, I already mentioned that I really like the Porsche, but in this case I think it's this guy here. I hope you could see it in the beginning of the video with yeah, little video troubles. But this one's kind of cool. I really like the shape. So, what is your favorite? Write it in the comments down below. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Happy hunting and see you next time. Bye.